Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel DIY Savvy Mommy, and I'm back again with another fun DIY. In today's video, I'm sharing a DIY birdhouse tutorial made from scratch with popsicle sticks and cardboard. And also I'm going to share a beautiful bird of paradise which I made using air dry clay. And if you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. So let's begin. To begin with, I took popsicle sticks of the large size and I placed all of them together to form a structure like that of a house. And then I marked the portions where I need to cut out the extra popsicle sticks, where you can see how I am marking the points from where I need to snip off the extra popsicle sticks, and I cut it using normal scissors. And then I also made a little circle from where there will be a little opening for the bird to come inside and move outside of the house. After the circle was cut, I placed the popsicle sticks accordingly, and then I glued the popsicle sticks using two other popsicle sticks at the back portion, and then I glued everything together. So this is how the first side of the birdhouse is going to look. Today's video is also a part of challenge hosted by Sarah from Jujubee Crafts and co-hosted by Annie from Indie Annie Jones. Both of them are amazing creators, and I'll link their channels in the description box below and you can check them out. And also I'll mention the playlist. You can check out the other creators who are going to create amazing birds and birdhouses, and you wouldn't want to miss any of those. And this is what I'm creating is the second part, that is the second side of the birdhouse. I'm going to glue some more popsicle sticks of the same size, and similarly I'm going to create the second part and then the third and the fourth side of the birdhouse. Once all the four sides were made, I took a cardboard piece and then I glued all the four sides of the birdhouse together onto the base of the cardboard, and hence this is how the birdhouse, the structure, the framework of the birdhouse is complete. I use cardboard pieces to make the two flaps of the roof. For a more finished look for the roof, I use these fruit meshes that we get, and I glued them on top of the both the thatched roofs, and on top of the roof I glued some cotton so that it looks that the birdhouse is really cozy, and it gives a cozy vibe to the house. So this is basically to cover the top portion of the birdhouse. Once the roof was complete, I decorated it with some ferns, dried flowers, and also artificial flowers. Next, I glued a small wooden dowel near the little hole that I made, so that this is the place where the bird can sit and hang out. And then finally, I gave 2 to 3 coats of white acrylic paint to the birdhouse so that it pops up more. And then I can make whatever spring inspired design I can make on it. And I also wanted to make a little bird out of clay. I rolled up some air dry clay like so, and I pinched around the eyes and the beak portion like you can see, and then I let it dry for some time, around an hour or so, and then I started painting it. I used a little bit of those sketch pen colors. You can use, if you want, you can use acrylic colors to paint them, and then I use little small sticks to make the legs of the bird. And I wanted to give a little more extravagant a look to the bird, so I glued blue color feathers at the back of the tail, at the tail portion, to make it look like as if she's the bird of paradise, because birds of paradise have really long and beautiful tails. So this is one exquisite bird that I've made for my birdhouse. And yeah, this is how she's looking. So adorable, so cute, so colorful also. And finally, to complete the look, I painted a beautiful cherry blossom tree on top of the birdhouse. And this is how my little bird of paradise and my beautiful birdhouse looks. Absolutely adorable and so cute. I also made a little bird bath nearby, wherein I put two birds where they can take little bath if they want. And this is the entire look of my bird and the birdhouse. I hope you really liked it and you enjoyed today's video. That's all for today. Hit the like button if you really enjoyed this video, and please to consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, happy crafting and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.